Hi guys, we've been having so much fun studying prints. Last time we got to use shaving cream and kind of experiment with it and make different lines. Today we're going to be using it to make our print. In this project, I hope that you learned that art will help you in different areas other than art. Artists are sometimes inspired by nature when they create their work, and that all artists explore new ideas in new ways, and that can be a very clever and fulfilling thing. Today, I am going to show you how to create the shaving cream prints. Think of printmaking as kind of like using giant stamps. You make an image and then press some sort of surface or material down to transfer that image somewhere else. There are a variety of different ways to make a print. Today we're going to be using shaving cream. The interesting thing about a monoprint, mono means one, so each time you do this printmaking technique, you're going to be making one piece of art. However, you're going to get a chance to do two today. I hope that you guys are paying attention because this project can be a little bit messy, and I want to make sure that you understand my expectations. As you are watching this video, I hope that your voice level is 0 so that you can hear all of my directions. Hopefully you walked in with 2 pieces of paper, 1, 2, and then also a Sharpie. Today we're going to write our name and class code very tiny on these little pieces of paper. You're going to watch me first, and then I'll pause the video so that I can write down your class code and then give you some time to try it on your own. What you're going to do is you're going to take your paper, you can do it vertical or horizontal, it's up to you, and very tiny as you can, please write your name. I'm going to write Mr. Boatfield because that is my name, and then also I'm going to write my class code right next door, and then we always put it in a circle. You're going to do this on both. So on both pieces of paper, you're going to write your name and class code. I'm going to be passing out some materials. If I put something on your table, please don't touch it. Give me a thumbs up when you have names on both your papers and your class code. I'll write that on the board. Very good. In a moment, I will come around and I will give each person a little bit of shaving cream. You're going to make sure that your papers are close to the middle of your table so that they won't accidentally get stuck in the shaving cream. Go ahead and push your papers up. Give me a thumbs up so I know that I'm ready for the next direction. Very good. I'm going to come by and give everyone a little bit of shaving cream. You get what you get, and you don't throw a... Very good. So this one's a little bit sloppy jalopy. When you get the shaving cream, the most important thing is that you do not touch it. So say it with me. Do not touch it. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Don't touch it. You should have also walked in with a paintbrush. Now, you won't have the paint tray or the paint water cup on your table just yet, but what you're going to do is you're going to take the water, and we're going to use the paintbrush a little bit differently. You're going to use it like a shovel. So you're going to pick a color in your mind that you want to try first, and these are really old trays. The reason that we're using these is because they're going to get all messed up from the shaving cream thing that we're going to do today. So I'm going to use this blue. I'm kind of attracted to this blue, so I'm going to fill it up with water. Think of it as a little bathtub. Think of it as a what? Little bathtub. Just keep putting water in there. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. So now it's filling up with water. That's a good thing. Then you can stir it around. You're going to take your paintbrush and you're going to go and get little dots everywhere. And you're probably thinking, why are we doing that? Well, I'm about to tell you why. You're going to go again. Dip, let it drip, and start filling up another color. Maybe green. I'm going to fill it up, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Maybe think of maybe 3 different colors that you could fill up. You and your partner could do the same colors. Y'all could do different ones. It depends on what your tray has, because whatever your tray has is what you're using. Use a little bit of the green, and then I'm taking the brush, giving it a little shake. Some of those dots didn't make it on there. I'm going to go back and get some more. There we go. Now, my brush never touches the shaving cream. It never touches the what? Don't touch that shaving cream. What are you thinking? I'm going to find one more color, and it's okay that it's sitting there. I'm not touching it. I'm going to do what was left of this yellow, so it's going to take a lot of filling up. I'm taking that water in the brush, and I'm filling it up like a bathtub. Don't stop until it's all filled up. Fill it up as much you can. Do what you can. Please do it. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Now it's all filled up. And I'm gonna add some crazy looking dots. All right, so you might think you're done, but you're not. You're gonna take the handle of the brush and you're going to do a wavy motion. Take your paintbrush now and invisible on your table, do a wavy motion. Imagine a wavy line. Or you could even imagine a loop-de-loop line. You could try that one. Maybe doing back and forth, like a zigzag line. So you're gonna take it, once you do, don't do this for more than 10 seconds. So you're gonna, for 10 seconds, you're gonna mix it all up. You don't do it fast, just do it slow. Ooh la la, look at those pretty designs showing up. If you do this too fast, it will get ruined. You could also take the other side, dip it in the water, and get a little bit more of a color. Bam, 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 bam. And then not for more than 10 seconds, you could move it all in and make something really cool. Now here's the fun part. I'm putting the paintbrush to the side. I'm gonna take one of my prints, name down, so when you do this, you should see the blank side. Name down, you're gonna put it on top. Leave it, do not squish it. It's gonna be really tempting to just squish it, but you don't wanna do that. It'll turn out really bad. Take your fingers, and you're gonna pretend to play a little piano. My fingers are dirty because I've been working with art all day. And for a little while, I'm just gonna play a little piano. Next, you're going to lift this up, and then you're probably thinking, Mr. Boatfield, I don't see anything. However, I'm gonna pass out a little popsicle stick, and you're going to hold it like this, and scrape the surface. Wait until you see the surprise underneath. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful print. Your popsicle stick is gonna be nasty looking, so just put it to the side. But now you have this beautiful, beautiful print. So I'm gonna show you one more time because you get 2 tries at this. So you get to make 2 today. I still have my shaving cream. I'm not touching it. There's still some colors in there, that's okay. There's still plenty we can do. So you're gonna take your paintbrush, never touch the brush actually in the shaving cream, just the side when you need to stir it. All right, I'm gonna go in, and you could use different colors. I might do a red this time. So I'm gonna fill it up with the water like a little bathtub. There, here you go. Oh, I'm thirsty. And then stir, give it some dots. But that's not all, let's do some more. Let's make it really interesting. Let's add some orange. I added some green, and then I didn't forget to stir it all up. Remember, once it's stirred, you can always go back and add some more of that color that you really like. I want a little bit more green in here, and you know what? I think I want a little bit of blue as well. It's gonna be really crazy this time. Remember, do less than 10 seconds of crazy lines, then put your paintbrush to the side. Take your paper, you're going to push it upside down. Can't see your name. Do a little finger dance like you're playing a mini piano. Just give it a good circle or something. Then when you peel it up, you'll see a whole lot of nothing. But when you take the magic stick, you can wipe it away. Oh my gosh, look how cool that was. So today, I want you to be creative. You're gonna make 2 different prints. You're going to leave them on the table. I'll come by and pick those up later. Now I have this huge mess. Take the paintbrush, put it in the water cup, wait till you and your partner are done. If you are done, you're going to finally, oh, and by the way, you can throw away the popsicle stick. The popsicle stick can go in the trash can here, or the one that's over there. You can take the it's the shaving cream, and you can make some big circles to make it go away. So I'm gonna take a few seconds to clean my area. And this will also be fun because you can draw or something while your prints are drying. So I'll be right back. I'm doing big, big circles. Once your table looks pretty clean, it'll be a little bit slimy. You'll take a wet wipe, clean your hands, your nasty, nasty hands, and then clean your table, your nasty, nasty table. That way you can start a new activity because today you're gonna have access to the iPads. However, you cannot use the iPads until both you and your partner are done and you've cleaned your table, which means that you've made the shaving cream go away. You've used one of the wet wipes to make it nice and clean along with your hands. Now, you're gonna take your paint brushes, you're gonna follow the what? The green arrows, and here's the easiest part of today. You just take it and put it in the sink. Then you're gonna follow the green arrows again. The other person is gonna take the paint tray back, following the green arrows, and you can just place the paint tray back here near the sinks, and that'll be good enough. Once you and your partner are done, I'll come by and collect your beautiful prints so that I can get these back to you when they're all dry, and then you guys can choose your own activity. Here's your activities for today. You can do free draw, or if both you and your partner are done, you can use an iPad. So make sure that you and your partner are done before you get the iPad. This will be locked, so I'll need to unlock it with my keys. So please make sure to show me that you and your partner are done. All right, guys, I'm excited to see all the exploration that you're gonna do today. It's gonna be so much fun, and I can't wait to see those prints. Bye.